Mike. I own a company in Houston, Texas called J&B Financial. We operate J&B Insurance and Tax, and we help people provide insurance and income tax problems. So we're going to tax season. I want to talk to people about something called Schedule C filing. That's a small business filing. So we have clients coming to our office. There's multiple things they have going on. They can be owners, they have a brick and mortar business. They could be the local hairstylist or barber working in a barbershop and paying out a weekly booth rent, or working in a beauty or barber suite. They could be a person who drives Uber, who door dashes, who operates Airbnb, or who is those examples of gig economy, or buying and selling goods on Amazon for a profit consistently. So these activities a lot of times will generate something called a 1099K or a 1099 NSC that shows you've been performing tasks for hire. If they don't, and you're required to report your income, the correct answer is always going to be report all your income as it is, but you can mitigate your taxes by reporting your expenses. You have to track your expenses throughout the year unless you hire a company like mine to keep your books for you. So if you're not at that point where you can afford anybody to keep your books, I'm going to suggest some simple ways to track your expenses. A simple Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets, which comes free with most Google packages. Google emails would be some efficient ways, cost-effective ways to track your revenues and expenses yearly throughout the year. QuickBooks can be relatively expensive for fledgling businesses. That's another option. Or you can hire a service to help you keep track of your books and account for you throughout the year. There's multiple options. I think the spreadsheet is probably the easiest. Next to using a pen and paper and just writing down what you think your expenses are going to be. We do provide a form in our office for our clients to track all our revenue expenses. I'm going to talk to you real quick also before I go off this quick video. It's about the importance of using other documentation to substantiate your business, EIN from IRS, which you can do from the IRS website. Going down to your local county clerk and getting a DBA for the business you're operating under. If you operate more than one business, you need more than one DBA, and that's the same for EIN. EIN could be part of the process of starting an LLC up or a corporation, but it's just part of the process. There's more to it than that, but that is a good start. The stuff you get your basically EIN is going to be your business Social Security number. Once you get that paper, do not lose that paper, because it's very difficult to get that number sent back out to you once you have it sent the first time. Everybody's case is going to depend. It's very situational. If you got any questions, just reach out to me and I will help you, or have someone in the office help you now or before tax season starts, okay? Or during tax season. That's not a problem. That's what we do. We have no problem assisting you. You got any questions, just reach out to us. I'll leave some contact information below. And we're taking consults so people get ready for the tax season. So with that being said, thank you. Have a great day. This is Mike. I look forward to seeing you next in a few weeks, okay? Thank you.